That's all I need to know.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Tell him. He's going to crawl to you.
Go, Isaac, go.
Please go away.
Oh, he's scooting.
He has to see something you want.
Yeah.
Say, come here, buddy.
Come on, don't pull his arms though. Then his face will hit the floor if you pull his arm.
Just one Philips Colon Health probiotic half a day.
How about the corn? Maybe you want the corn.
Ooh, go get it.
Put it there so he can crawl to get it. Get it, buddy.
He's gonna.
So it's dirtier.
He's trying. Show him, Bella. Show Isaac how you crawl. Like this, Isaac. Watch Bella. Isaac, watch Bella.
Crawl over here.
Show Isaac how to crawl. Like that, Isaac. See?
Careful, you hurt your alley. Watch your head. There's a table right there.
You're crawling. Say, come on, Isaac. Like this. Like this, Isaac. That's how you crawl. See? Look, now he's gonna try.
Leave it right there. Okay, go. You get the corn. Back up. Let me see. So let him see he gets the corn. He wants the corn. Look at that. He wants that corn.
You get it, buddy. Teach him, big sister. Teach him.
Get the corn. It's going to turn.
Yeah.
He wants to see Bella. Come in front of him, Bella, so he can see you.
He wants to look at you.
Say, here
He smiles at her. Look at it.
I am. That commercial where
He loves you. He loves you.
it's that commercial where it's like Isaac's lamp.
He's trying to go towards Bella.
He wants to see Bella. Put it over here so he can crawl to it.
No, too far, Bella. Too far.
Little bit right there. Yeah, right there. See, look, buddy.
He's trying so hard. Oh my goodness.
Look, he uses a blanket.
I'm doing too.
You're doing it too.
I'm doing too.
Maybe if we took his socks off, he could grip better, huh?
I'm doing backwards and backwards.
Come here.
What's yours?
What? We'll show Grandma the Froggy, Princess Froggy pillow.